What if I told you that in 1944, German has the fastest aircraft which has no landing gear and has only 7 minutes of flying, and that was the fastest aircraft of that time that did not use the jet engine and not even the piston engine. So welcome to the episode 2 of telling about the aircraft evolution. So in 1944, Germany was under a constant attack from its elite bomber. Conventional fighter were struggling to intercept them. So German engineer decided to try something new. So they, instead of improving existing aircraft, they built something entirely different. The aircraft was not powered by the piston engine, not even powered by the jet engine. It used a rocket engine. So the moment it take off, it accelerated like a missile. Within minutes, it could reach the altitude of enemy bombers. It became one of the fastest operational aircraft of the World War II. Elite pilots often described it as a flash in the sky. By the time they react, it was already gone. But speed came at the cost. The rocket engine burned fuel so quickly that the aircraft had only about 7 minutes of power flight. After that, the pilot had no choice but to glide back to base, and the fuel itself was so dangerous that even a small accident could turn the aircraft into a firewall. So this was the world's first operational rocket-powered fighter aircraft that is made by Germany. Its name was the Messerschmitt Me-163 Comet, one of the fastest and most dangerous aircraft ever built. But even this speed was not enough. Engineers soon discovered a secret behind speed is aircraft being safe. In next episode 3.